God sees your silent tears. Psalm 56:8. Stop scrolling. Someone needs this right now. You've been crying silently, hurting quietly, fighting battles nobody knows about, but listen to me. God saw every tear you cried, even the ones you wiped away before anyone noticed. This message is for you. There are moments in life when the pain becomes too heavy to explain, moments when you don't even know what to pray anymore. You smile on the outside, but your heart is breaking on the inside. Maybe you cry in the bathroom so no one sees. Maybe you cry at night when the world is quiet. Maybe you don't cry at all, but your soul is screaming for help. Let me tell you something straight from the heart of God. He sees you, He knows, and He cares. In Psalm 56:8, the Bible says, "You keep track of all my sorrows. You have collected all my tears in your bottle." Think about that. God doesn't ignore your pain, He records it. Not one tear is wasted. Not one moment of heartbreak is forgotten. Not one silent cry is overlooked. You may feel invisible to people, but you have never been invisible to God. He saw the nights you prayed for strength. He saw the days you held everything together when you felt like falling apart. He saw the disappointment, the betrayal, the loneliness, the brokenness. And He whispers to your heart, "I am with you. You're not alone." Your tears are not a sign of weakness. They are a sign that you are still fighting, still believing, still holding on. And God honors that. He is near to the brokenhearted, closer than you think. Even when you don't feel Him, He is healing you. Even when you don't hear Him, He is speaking peace over you. Even when you don't understand your situation, He is working behind the scenes. And here's the truth. The tears you are crying today will water the seeds of your blessing tomorrow. Your pain is producing strength. Your struggle is shaping you. Your tears are preparing you for a season of joy. The Bible promises, "Weeping may endure for a night, but joy comes in the morning." Your morning is coming. Your heart will feel light again. Your smile will be real again. Your soul will breathe again. God is turning your tears into testimony. He is turning your pain into purpose. And He is turning your heartbreak into healing. Tonight, when you lay down, you won't cry alone. God will be right there, comforting your heart and reminding you, "My child, I see you. I love you. And I am restoring you." If this message touched your heart, type "God sees me" in the comments. Share this video with someone who needs comfort today. And don't forget to follow, subscribe for more messages that speak to your soul. You are seen, you are loved, you are not alone.